The oil filter you choose could decide whether your engine lasts 300,000 miles or wears out much sooner. And surprisingly, the most expensive filter isn't always the best one. Some cheap filters protect engines better than filters costing twice as much. Others look identical on the outside but can collapse, clog early, or let dirty oil circulate through your engine. Today, we'll reveal the 5 budget oil filters mechanics actually trust and 3 filter brands you may want to think twice about before buying. Number 5. Premium Guard Extended Performance. Coming in at number 5 is Premium Guard Extended Performance, a filter that often flies under the radar but has quietly earned a strong reputation among experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It typically costs between $7 and $11, making it a great value compared to many premium name filters. One reason it stands out is its synthetic blend filter media, which captures fine contaminants while maintaining excellent oil flow. Many versions also include a silicone anti-drainback valve, which stays flexible in both hot and cold temperatures. That means oil reaches critical engine components faster during cold starts, where a large percentage of engine wear actually occurs. Another advantage is its sturdy internal construction. The metal end caps, strong center tube, and reliable bypass valve help the filter hold up throughout the entire oil change interval without restricting oil flow. It may not have the same brand recognition as Fram, Mobil 1, or Bosch, but when it comes to real-world performance, Premium Guard delivers excellent protection at a budget-friendly price. For most daily drivers, it's one of the smartest values you can buy. Number 4. CarQuest Premium Oil Filter. The CarQuest Premium Oil Filter, a filter that's often overlooked simply because it's sold through auto parts stores instead of being heavily advertised. Most versions cost around $8 to $12, making it another excellent value for everyday drivers. What makes this filter stand out is its solid overall construction. It uses high-efficiency synthetic blend filter media designed to trap small contaminants without restricting oil flow. Many models also include a silicone anti-drainback valve, which helps keep oil inside the filter after the engine is turned off. That means faster lubrication during cold starts, reducing wear on critical engine components. Another advantage is its durable steel center tube and well-built bypass valve, helping maintain consistent oil pressure even if the filter begins loading up with contaminants near the end of an oil change interval. It may not have the marketing power of premium brands, but its performance often surprises people. For daily driving and manufacturer-recommended oil change intervals, the CarQuest Premium delivers dependable filtration, reliable construction, and excellent value without the premium price tag. Number 3. Wix Oil Filter. At number 3 is the Wix Oil Filter, a brand trusted by professional mechanics, fleet operators, and experienced DIY enthusiasts for decades. Priced at around $8 to $13, it offers premium-level quality without the premium price tag. What makes Wix stand out is its consistent construction. It features durable steel end caps, a strong center tube, and high-quality filter media that effectively traps harmful contaminants while maintaining proper oil flow. Many models also include a silicone anti-drainback valve, helping prevent dry starts by keeping oil inside the filter after the engine is turned off. WX filters are also known for their reliable bypass valve design, ensuring continuous oil flow even as the filter collects debris. If you want dependable filtration, excellent build quality, and long-term engine protection without overspending, WX remains one of the smartest oil filter choices you can make. Number 2. Napa Gold Oil Filter. Taking the number 2 spot is the Napa Gold Oil Filter, one of the best values for drivers who want premium level protection without paying premium prices. Most Napa Gold filters cost between $9 and $13 and have earned a strong reputation for their consistent quality and reliability. One reason they're so highly regarded is that they're manufactured by WAX, sharing much of the same engineering and internal design. You get durable filter media, a heavy-duty steel center tube, and a precisely calibrated bypass valve that helps maintain proper oil flow under demanding conditions. Most applications also feature a silicone anti-drainback valve, reducing dry starts by keeping oil inside the filter after shutdown. For just a few dollars more than many economy filters, the Napa Gold delivers excellent filtration, solid construction, and dependable engine protection, making it a favorite among many professional mechanics. Number 1. Purolator Boss Oil Filter. Taking the #1 spot is the Purolator Boss oil filter, one of the best values for drivers who want premium level engine protection without paying premium brand prices. Most models sell for around $10 to $15, making it an excellent choice for both daily drivers and long oil change intervals. Its biggest advantage is the full synthetic filter media, which is designed to capture a high percentage of harmful contaminants while maintaining excellent oil flow. It also features a silicone anti-drainback valve that helps prevent dry starts by keeping oil inside the filter after the engine is shut off. Combined with a durable steel canister, strong center tube, and reliable bypass valve, it's built for long-term durability. If you're looking for an oil filter that offers excellent filtration, premium construction, and outstanding value, the Purolator Boss is one of the smartest choices you can make. Number 3 to avoid, Fram Extra Guard. Starting our avoid list is the Fram Extra Guard. It's not a terrible oil filter, especially if you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but there are simply better options for around the same price. Most ExtraGuard filters cost between $6 and $9. Compared to many competitors, it typically uses cellulose filter media and, on some applications, a nitrile anti-drainback valve, which can harden over time with repeated heat cycles. If you're using full synthetic oil or planning longer oil change intervals, filters with synthetic blend media and silicone valves generally offer better long-term protection and value for only a few dollars more. Number 2 to avoid, STP oil filter. At number 2 is the STP oil filter, a common budget option usually priced between $5 and $8. While it's affordable and widely available, its biggest drawback is inconsistent construction, as different versions may be produced by different manufacturers. Most standard STP filters use cellulose filter media and a nitrile anti-drainback valve, which are generally fine for short oil change intervals, but less ideal for extended use. The filter will do its job for basic commuting, but for just $2 or $3 more, you can often buy a filter with synthetic blend media, a silicone anti-drainback valve, and better overall construction. That's why many experienced mechanics choose other options instead. Number 1 to avoid, EcoGuard Standard Oil Filter. Taking the #1 spot on our avoid list is the EcoGuard Standard Oil Filter. Usually priced between $4 and $7, it's one of the cheapest options on the shelf, but the low price comes with a few compromises. Most standard EcoGuard filters use basic cellulose filter media and a nitrile anti-drainback valve, making them better suited for short oil change intervals rather than extended use with full synthetic oil. While they generally meet basic OEM requirements, they lack some of the premium materials found in filters like Napa Gold or Purolator Boss. For just a few dollars more, you can often get a filter with better filtration, stronger construction, and greater long-term engine protection. Choosing the right oil filter doesn't have to mean spending the most money. The best filter is the one that delivers reliable protection, quality construction, and real value for your engine. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest car care tips, and let us know in the comments which oil filter you trust the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.